Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord. Well, this is awkward trash message coming on your PC with a message that says looks like Discord has crashed unexpectedly. We are tracked the error and will get right on it. Even it gives you a reload button, but whenever you click on it, it's give you the same error message. Let's fix it guys. First you need to close the Discord completely. For that, click on this arrow icon over here, right click on the Discord and select quit Discord guys. After doing it, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type temp. Click on OK guys. Click on continue. Click on any file and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A. Right click on it, select delete it guys. Click on do this all current items, select skip. After deleting it, close out of here. Now try to relaunch the Discord and see if this fixed the problem. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Before that, you just need to do the same way. Right click on the Discord and select quit Discord. After doing it, second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Discord guys, but do it correctly can fix the problem. For that we need a small program guys to completely uninstall Discord. For that, open up browser, search for Geek Uninstaller, click on the first website link, click on the download option, click on the zip download option and download it. After getting download done, click on show in folder, double click on it guys, and now open the Geek application, click on S. Now right click on the Discord and select uninstall guys. Scanning for leftover files, folders and registry items. This will help you to delete all of it guys. Click on finish to complete the process. Close out of here and now open up Chrome and search for Discord download. Click on the official Discord website. Just need to scroll down and select download for Windows and download and install it guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.